the old Iceland. This is a sorry sight. They've been bashing it in since I last saw it about 2 Sundays ago. They really are hacking at this building. They just want to destroy it. Why not just build a skyscraper there? It makes no sense. Looks like we've got a dingus here. I don't think they know what a pedestrian is. Look at this. This is terrible. Sod off bulldozers. Look at the site. I mean, come on. This building was in mint condition before they started bashing it up. Sod off bulldozers. Sod off bulldozers. Look at this stairwell. Ridiculous. What a waste. Sod off bulldozers. Leave shops alone. Sod off bulldozers. That's inside. Sod off bulldozers. Sod off bulldozers. That's horrible. This is, look at the state of this poor building. What, why? What? Just for money? Come on. What's the point? Mess. Look at it. Mess. Sod off greedy developers. Just gone through the old keychain again. Through here. Not through the keychain, through the lock.